Money management refers to the process of effectively managing one's financial resources to achieve specific goals and to maximize long-term financial stability and growth. Some key principles of effective money management include budgeting, creating a spending plan by allocating funds for necessary expenses, such as housing, food, transportation, and healthcare, as well as discretionary spending and savings. Saving, putting aside a portion of your income for short-term and long-term goals, such as an emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or retirement. Investing, using your savings to purchase investments, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, with the goal of growing your wealth over time. Debt management, paying off debt in a timely manner and avoiding high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, as much as possible. Financial planning, developing a comprehensive financial plan that takes into account your current financial situation, long-term goals, and risk tolerance, and outlines steps to achieve your financial objectives. By following these principles, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and increase your financial security. Investing in stocks. Investing in stocks is a common way to grow wealth over the long term. When you invest in stocks, you are essentially buying ownership in a company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of its stocks typically increases, allowing you to sell your shares for a profit. There are several different ways to invest in stocks, including buying individual stocks, investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and investing in mutual funds. When investing in individual stocks, it's important to research the company and its financial performance, as well as to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. ETFs and mutual funds provide exposure to a diversified portfolio of stocks, which can help to reduce risk. These types of investments are typically managed by professional fund managers who make investment decisions on behalf of the fund shareholders. It's important to keep in mind that investing in stocks carries some level of risk, and the stock market can be volatile. However, over the long term, the stock market has historically provided higher returns compared to other types of investments, such as bonds or savings accounts. When considering investing in stocks, it's a good idea to seek the advice of a financial advisor who can help you determine an investment strategy that is aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Taking risk. Taking risk is an inevitable part of investing and achieving financial goals. In general, the greater the risk, the greater the potential reward, but there is also a higher chance of losing money. When it comes to taking financial risk, it's important to assess your own risk tolerance and to have a clear understanding of the risks involved with each investment. For example, investments in stocks and other equities are considered higher risk compared to investments in bonds and other fixed income securities. However, taking on a reasonable level of risk can be an important part of a well-rounded investment strategy. Younger investors, for example, may be able to afford to take on more risk due to their longer investment horizon and the potential for their investments to recover from market downturns. When taking risk, it's also important to diversify your investments across different asset classes and industries to minimize the risk of loss. This can be achieved by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other types of investments. Ultimately, taking risk is a personal decision and will depend on your individual financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. It's important to work with a financial advisor to determine an investment strategy that is right for you and aligns with your long-term financial goals.